All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, functional programming, combine an array into a string using the join method. All right. So the join method is used to join the elements of an array together to create a string. It takes an argument for the delimiter that is used to separate the array elements in the string, right? So here's an example. We've got const r right here. We've got the array hello and world, both of these in their own elements. And then we've got this const string equals r.join, and we're joining it by this space. So it's a string with a space in it, all right? So string would have a value of the string hello world. So it's just going to come up with a string like this. So now we're going to use the join method among others, inside the sentensify function. They love making up words, don't they? To make a sentence from the words in the string. The function should return a string. For example, I like Star Wars would be converted to I like Star Wars. So for this challenge, we're not going to use the replace method. All right, so this one's really into the force, eh? So what we're going to do here is we're going to start off by taking this thing and doing the same thing we did earlier on the last one, on this string, on this split method. We're going to do the same character class thing with it, all right? So if you forgot, or if you just you didn't watch the other video, we've got the regex JavaScript right here. We can come over to the MDM web docs page and scroll down. We come over to the character classes because this is what the stuff we're going to use. We're going to officially use this, but we're going to use this stuff inside of it. We're going to use the A through Z and the lowercase a through Z and avoid these ones just in case, all right? So we'll come up. So we're going to use this negated character class in there. So we'll start off by saying let split string equal str.split, and we'll split it by the regex, which is going to have the character class in it. And the character class is going to be shift6, which is the caret. And then we're going to have A through Z, capital A through Z, and then lowercase a through Z. And there's not going to be a space in between here because if we do have a space, it'll match the space, all right? So now that we've got that, what we're going to do is join it back together. But first, let's say console.log split string like this. And we can see we've got may the force be with you all in their own elements, right? And let's also check str to see if it changed. So this didn't change at all. So we're still doing it functional programming style. All right, we'll keep the console.log there for the end of it. All right, so now we're going to let we're going to let join string. Let's say join string equal split string dot join, and we're going to join it by what do we join it by? Make the sentence from the word. So we're going to join it by the spaces. So we're just join it by a string with a space in it like this, right? So let's console.log this join string right here, and we can see it says, may the force be with you, right? So let's get rid of that. And right here, we're going to say return join string, right? And so let's wrap this in parentheses. We already know it's going to work, but let's do it just to be safe, right? And then say console.log and may the force be with you, just like that, right? So you might be saying to yourself, hey man, why don't we just make this one thing and put the join at the end of this and get rid of it and then just return split string, right? Well, I mean, right now it would still be returning the split string, but why not do that? Well, we could do that. We could definitely do that, but I'm pretty sure according to the functional programming principles, we want to do this just in case somebody that comes in and sees this has no idea what's going on and they have to see it looking specific, right? So this may be the most professional way to do it. So we're all trying to make money here. So let's just do it how the boss wants, right? So let's run the test. Looks good. And submit it, all right? Now we're on to apply functional programming to convert strings to URL slugs. And we'll see you next time.